Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today, our mission is highly specialized. We are jumping right into the world of AI and large language model SEO,
Yep.
specifically how these really cutting-edge techniques are being used in high-trust medical fields. We're looking at ear, nose, and throat clinics.
It's a completely new paradigm, really. It's not enough to just rank on Google's, classic results page anymore.
Whole new battlefield.
It is.
Yeah.
The real fight for patient discovery is now on platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, even Grok and Perplexity, and of course, Google's AI overviews.
And our source for this is a pretty detailed service offering from a company called Samyak Online. We're an offshore partner for clinics in places like New York, London, Sydney.
That's right.
Okay, so let's unpack this. Why does a specialized field like ENT otolaryngology need this hyper-specific, almost complicated AI focus?
Right.
Can't they just rely on their reputation?
That's the core question. And it really stems from the fact that ENT is, well, it's inherently high trust and symptom-driven. A patient doesn't just call out of the blue. Their journey starts online, researching very specific symptoms. Maybe it's ear pain, sinus issues, hearing loss. They want verified information before they even book an appointment.
So the clinic's digital credibility is basically the deciding factor.
It absolutely is.
That makes perfect sense. But we're looking at three different and frankly confusing acronyms here. We have AI SEO, LLM SEO, and semantic SEO. Does a clinic really need all three? Is this just marketing jargon?
It's a great question, and the sources suggest they have to work together. Think of AI SEO as the foundation.
The base layer.
Exactly. It's the broad use of machine learning and natural language processing to automate tasks, to understand patient intent, basically to get your whole infrastructure ready for an AI-driven search world.
So AI SEO is the technical engine room. Okay,
Yeah.
let's skip the middle one for a second and jump to semantic SEO. That sounds like it tackles that high trust problem you mentioned.
It does. Semantic SEO is what I call the validation layer. It's all about strengthening that contextual relevance through things like detailed healthcare schema markup and really structured content. This is how a clinic proves its specific expertise, not just to Google's old algorithm, but to the AI models themselves.
So you can rank for super specific queries like ENT clinic for cochlear implants.
Precisely. Or sinus and allergy specialist, ENT.
Okay, so semantic SEO provides the structured, verifiable facts that the AIs can then digest. Which brings us back to LLM SEO. That must be about the conversational output.
You got it. LLM SEO is all about optimizing that semantically rich content for answer engines, for ChatGPT, for Google AI overviews. The whole goal is a paradigm shift.
So you're not optimizing for a link click.
No. You're optimizing for a brand mention, a citation right inside the generated AI answer. You're positioned as the authority instantly.
That sounds incredibly comprehensive. So what does this toolkit look like in action for, a pediatric ENT clinic versus a sleep apnea center?
It's a three-pronged approach for what they call AI-ready visibility. First, the technical stuff has to be perfect. An AI-ready website architecture and that robust healthcare schema we mentioned, that's non-negotiable.
And the second prong has to be local, right? It's still a physical clinic.
Absolutely. That's GEO, or geographic optimization.
Yeah.
So clinic map optimization, managing reviews, local keyword targeting. You have to be the answer for ENT near me.
Okay, and the third piece?
Content trust, creating really specific guides, patient education resources. You're building credibility before they even think about a consultation.
So the outcome is getting all three of these strategies to intersect and boost visibility everywhere. You mentioned AEO earlier.
Yeah, AEO, answer engine optimization. It's really the measurable outcome of this whole thing. It's about boosting brand mentions and authority across Google AI overviews and all those other conversational platforms.
So what does this all really mean then? The shift here feels profound. For a high-stakes field like medicine, you've moved way beyond keywords.
Oh, completely. You're now establishing specific, factual authority that the AI models themselves recognize and reproduce.
The days of just hoping Google finds you are over.
Long over. You have to speak the language of trust and structure that these LLMs demand.
Which leads to our final thought for you to consider. If ENT clinics have to optimize their content not just for people, but for conversational platforms like Perplexity and Grok,
Yeah.
what happens to the diagnostic process when a patient asks an LLM for a potential diagnosis before they even decide to see a real doctor? We'll leave you with that one.